not that big trucks can't haul. It just makes it 10 times more difficult to get to the bed, which is absolutely fine because this just looks awesome. Look at this. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Whoa, I look weird without a hat. Mainly because I lost it, and I also have this awkward hat sunburn. But besides that, what's up, guys? A lot of you guys enjoy the wheel reveal on the channel, which is awesome. My design, my vision, that kind of, it came about, and just seeing it in person is awesome. I'm gonna go show you guys up front in a second here the wheels in the sunlight, because they're just wow. And if you could tell by the title of this video, yes, I have to give up one of my vehicles. If you guys are new to the channel, here's my 2019 Hellcat. Obviously sublime, dirty, needs a wash. Drove in the rain this morning. Oops. Here is my 2017 Ram 2500, lifted to the moon, pretty much. But in the light, here you go, guys. These wheels are just stunning. You can only catch it on the lip here. Ooh, as it gets sunny, look at that. Look at that. Oh, just sharp. Let me get on the other side. It'll be better when the light is direct, but this thing, just in the sun looks spectacular. It really does look sharp. I do need to put my power boards back on. I got to get screws for that. Front drive shaft does need to be extended, and I need to put a T-case ring on. I haven't done that yet. It'll be coming soon. And the rear drive shaft spacer hopefully will be here very soon, and then I could probably take this thing to highway speeds again. But once that comes in, we'll be good to go pretty much, because I can drive wherever I need to go without the front drive shaft in for now. And then when I put the T-case ring on, the factory one will either fit or I'll just get that one extended. So this truck does look stunning, I could tell you that. And all the way in the back here is my 2016 Volkswagen Jetta, which, if you guys didn't know and you couldn't guess already, we will be getting rid of this car today. It is quite sad. Well, I guess I should start with this. This car is leased, and I leased it for the last 3 years, and I leased this car. I gave up my Jeep Wrangler, traded it in, or sold it. I sold it on Craigslist. I sold the Jeep Wrangler on Craigslist. And then I went and I leased this car because I was doing a lot of traveling between where I went to school, where my girlfriend went to school, where, my family was. It was hot in here. Where my sister and her fiance was. And it was just a lot of traveling. So I'm like, I need something fuel efficient. And at the time, I was like, all my buddies were like, Jettas. I eventually got so many people into Jettas. Like, say my girlfriend's got a Jetta now, but got so many people into Jettas because these cars are just phenomenal. But I leased it. It was cheap, and I recommend if somebody needs a new car in their life for $200 or less a month, a Volkswagen Jetta, let me tell you. You can get them souped up with bells and whistles and pump it over 200. You can get the base model and just tool around town in it for under 200 bucks a month. I haven't had a single problem with this car except the taillight bulb that went out that I replaced in no time. But, however, today's the day. We got to give it up. It is a 5-speed manual. It's crazy how 3 years can end up, coming down to this, which is crazy. It's just like, I got this car 3 years ago. Oh, I love this thing. Just a nifty little 5-speed. Oh, I love it. I may eventually get something like this in the future. I don't know. I honestly don't know. It's an awesome car. I kind of want to buy it out. I can tell you this is probably the funnest car I've ever owned. So if you're in the market, like I said, for a car under 200 bucks a month, I'm gonna go for a little ride here because I love this car so much. But if you're in a car for like under 200 bucks a month, Volkswagen Jetta, guys. Oh, this car is just fun. So for those of you who don't know, this car is completely stock except for the window tint and the sound system. This is the first car I did, the 50% windshield, 5% visor, 5 sides, and 20% on the rear, and it is probably the best tint combo I have ever come across. I can see out of the back at night, I can see out of the windshield on rainy days, and nobody can see in the sides, which is awesome. I guess don't mind the Cummins sticker as well, but a lot of people ask me all the time about sound systems. Why don't you do sound systems? I'm gonna be honest, I've done sound systems, and every single vehicle until the truck and the Charger, I have not done a sound system, and it is nothing like against sound systems. It's literally, my sound system is in the Jetta. So when I was driving the car that was the, I guess, least fun, I had the best sound. In here I got two 10-inch JL 10W3s and a crappy Boss Audio amp, but it does the job until it overheats after about 2 hours of you know, decent audio, I guess, play. But these speakers thump, they do everything I needed to do. This just sounds awesome. When I move these, spoiler alert, I'm moving these into the charger. When I get it into the charger, I'm going to get a proper amp and everything, but we're going to take these out, take everything out of this car, I guess get it ready to be turned in. So what I did was took everything out of the trunk, and I pretty much, obviously my speakers and my amp are here, but what I did was put all the wires just underneath the carpet, so whether this car goes to auction or goes on the lot, whether it get, you know, when it gets sold and whatever, whoever finds it, they might be like, oh man, my car's already wired for an audio system, which will be, you know, a pleasant surprise to somebody. But this stuff, this is actually a roadside assistance kit. I know I did this in a video a long time ago that came with the car. However, it is probably the best and most useful tool ever. So I'm going to take this and put it in the charger because it's just an awesome roadside kit that you should always have. And the same thing with these road flares. I bought them at Walmart one day a long time ago. I don't know why, but I've got some, so those are all going in the charger. So the guy is coming at 6:20. I'm gonna meet him and selling the wheels and tires today, just like that. That was an awesome, quick sale. We're gonna put those in the bed of the truck, but I'm gonna show you how difficult this actually is when the bed is this high and the object is in fact that heavy. It's not that big trucks can't haul, it just makes it 10 times more difficult to get to the bed, which is absolutely fine because this just looks awesome. Look at this. Especially when it's bright out. I told you guys the colors are so different. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, so quick change of plans because we're selling the wheels and tires that are now in the truck bed and I gotta meet the guy. I'm gonna leave now, but I can't turn on my Jetta today because if I went all the way to the Volkswagen dealership to drop it off and then drove all the way back, I'd totally miss the guy who was buying the wheels and tires. So I'm just going to drive back roads, sell the wheels and tires, and go from there. But I know a lot of you want to see me get in this truck, and that means I got to do it twice because I got to put the camera down, get in, get out, and get the camera, and then get back in. So this is for you guys, solely for you guys. I'm wearing jeans because I remembered I got Taco Bell on both sets of shorts that I had from Daytona. So yeah, to the truck. So it's a little difficult, but still can be done. Once I get my boards back on, it'll be so much easier. I should have did that today, but ran out of time, so I might do that tomorrow. I don't know. Okay, so we just made it to Quaker Steak and Lube here. It's funny because the amount of people either on the road or like on the road or just in this parking lot that legitimately stop and take pictures or look and smile, and just like some dude walked by, gave me a thumbs up. Like I said the other day, some guy in a towing truck stopped and talked to me for 20 minutes. Guys, it feels awesome. It just feels awesome that, you know, you can make something that someone can appreciate even though it's completely not their style. They look at that and they're like, dude, that truck, thumbs up. It's just, it's awesome. But we're here waiting for the guy about to sell these wheels and tires, get some cash, get some dinner. So
I know. Well, it's actually perfect. You gotta buy tires weighing a fucking buck you get. Yeah, it's exactly what I wanted for this truck. What the fuck else you put them on? Yeah, no, that's actually, I think it's funny that this works out perfectly here.
Yeah, I know. That's what he was saying. He was in Detroit or something. And then I went, like I lifted it more, it went bigger, yeah. So, I'm actually surprised at how, that's perfect. Oh, guys, the last drive with the Jetta. Kinda sad. This car's been with me through a lot. It's been, you know, the last 3 years. Yeah, the last 3 years I've had this car, and it's just crazy. It's crazy how fast 3 years actually goes, and you just kind of look back, especially in this kind of situation. You just look back and be like, wow, what did I do with these last 3 years? And obviously I've done quite a lot, and it just, it's crazy. Alright guys, here we are. The Jetta is officially no longer mine, and we've turned it in. Let's say our last goodbyes. And there we have it, guys. There were 2. No more Jetta, just green vehicles only. So there we go, guys. Jetta is gone. It's been 3 years, and boom. And honestly, lightening the load, I drove it semi-often, but you know, here's the problem now is I got a Hellcat and I got a truck that kind of won't be driven in the snow, and a Hellcat that won't be driven in the snow. So I'm going to need a winter vehicle. I mean, come, I guess, 6 months from now, but we'll work on that in the summer, stuff like that. We'll get there. Don't worry. We're going to fill that void soon. We hit 70,000 subscribers last night. I honestly wanted to, like, think of this big thing. I'm obviously going to say this at the beginning of the next video as well, but we hit 70,000 subscribers last night, and I can't thank you guys enough for the support. This is unreal. This journey started so long ago, and it honestly started with the Jetta, which is coming to, like, full circle here. Like, we're back. The Jetta is, you know, the lease is done, turned it in. Like I said, if you guys want a video on why leasing is actually probably the best thing I've ever done, but let me know. And like I said, full circle. We've gone from zero. Like, I started this channel and all I had was the Jetta with aspirations of buying a truck, and here we are. Bought the truck, Hellcat. It's just like, it's just awesome to see the change in the process through all of this. So it's crazy. It's honestly crazy, but I can't thank you guys enough. We hit 70,000 subscribers. That means a lot to me. Love you guys, and if you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe, shoot this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for your support.